Hello and welcome to my video all about how to knit the tile squares pattern. This is very easy to do and, as you can see, creates a grid texture. The first thing you need to do is cast on a multiple of 5 stitches plus 4. I cast on 19 stitches using the long tail cast on, but you could use your favourite method. Then row 1, which represents the right side or the front of the knitting, is just the knit row. So that's just knit stitches all the way across. Then row 2 begins with 4 purl stitches. So make sure the working yarn is at the front towards you and purl 4. And then we're on to the repeating section, which is knit 1 and then purl 4. So take the working yarn between the needles to the back and knit 1. And then bring the working yarn between the needles to the front again and purl 4. And repeat knit 1 and purl 4 over and over until the end of the row. So yarn to the back and knit 1. Yarn to the front and purl 4. And so on. Always remember that the working yarn needs to be at the back for a knit stitch and at the front for a purl stitch. And even though this is an 8-row pattern repeat, that's all there is to it, because for rows 1, 3, 5, 7 and 8 you're just doing a knit row, and then for rows 2, 4 and 6 you're repeating this exact same pattern, which is purl 4 and then repeat knit 1, purl 4. And here you can see the result after I knit this 2.5 times. And that's it, that's all there is to it, and as you can see it's very simple. Because of the grid texture, I would personally say it's best suited to blankets and bags. I really hope you found this useful, and thank you very much for watching.